So tribe, I wanted to share with you my decision making process when I am thinking of what to plant, what goes in the garden. And this is important because you don't just want to waste money, you don't just want to waste time, you don't just also want to waste the plant's time, right? They spend a lot of energy growing, you spend a lot of energy growing the plants, a lot of money, and so we don't want all of that to go to waste. So before planting any vegetable in the garden, it is a good idea to just think. And I have some questions that I ask myself, or a decision filter which I try to use anyway, that I wanted to share with you. Hopefully this helps somebody. The very first thing that I think about when I am deciding what to grow is, will I eat that vegetable or the fruit? Will you eat it? It's a very simple question, but it's something that I think many people don't think about. Is it something that you are going to eat? You or someone in your family? If you're a mom like me and you have to feed a family, is this something that you can see yourself using in the kitchen to cook with? And this goes for the type of the vegetable or the fruit that you are growing, but also the quantity. We don't want to grow 30 different okra plants and then just to find out that you cannot keep up with harvesting, you cannot keep up with processing, you don't even know where to put the fruit. Like, you're not going to eat all of that. So when you think about, is it something that you will eat, you're thinking the type and also the quantity. The second thing that I think about is, can I buy that stuff from the store? Is it readily available in stores? And if I can easily find it at my local HEB, Walmart, whatever, then maybe it's something that I don't have to spend time growing because I can easily find it. I know that my fatali peppers I can't easily find, my red velvet or my white velvet okras I can't easily find, my hill country red okra, my jamanjama, my ugu, I cannot go to my local HEB, my local Walmart, my local Whole Foods market and find some of these things. Therefore, I have to spend the time and the money to grow it myself because I cannot easily find them. Then the third thing that I think about is this thing saving me money? Is it saving me money? Now, maybe peppers and things like habanero peppers I can find, but they're expensive. Even things like herbs. Have you ever tried buying thyme? A little thing of thyme is $3-4, and I use it all the time. Things like basil, easy to grow but super expensive. So think about it. Is it saving you money? If it's saving you money, then maybe you should grow it. And then the fourth thing that I think about is, can it grow? Are my neighbors also growing it? When I say neighbors, I'm thinking like the zone, right? I'm in zone 9. Can this thing grow in zone 9, right? Because if it cannot grow, then maybe I'm just wasting my time. There's an exception, which is what I'm going to talk about in point number 5. But just think about it. If your neighbor can grow it, it means that you can grow it. Are your neighbors able to grow it? If they can grow it, then you can. If they cannot grow it, then maybe you're just wasting your time and your money. And then the fifth point is it something exciting and new? Because if you're like me, I grow a lot of these things because it's exciting and it's new. But here's the thing, don't do that if you are just starting with gardening. If you are a beginner at gardening, that fifth point, exciting and new, stick with what you know how to do, and then eventually you can start trying out new things. And then just try one at a time. Don't try too many at a time unless you're just like me and you're crazy like me. I am trying everything. I know that I'm trying everything, and so it's okay. The thing with trying too many things all at once is you can get easily overwhelmed. You can get quickly overwhelmed and fatigued. So if you want exciting and new things and you're looking for seeds, I'm going to drop some websites down below. I can vouch for their seeds because it's all what I have here growing. I've cultivated them and they have a decent germination rate because they test their seeds for germination and so on and so forth. So I'm going to put a link. If you're looking for the seeds, you can get the seeds, try something exciting, try something new. Thank you so much for watching. Grow something, because when you grow something, you are also growing your health. Until next time, guys. Bye.